Hello everyone, welcome to Long Life and Healthy Way. We're here with a recipe which was suggested by one of you out there. It's to do with Goya. Tell us about it, Yoshiko.
Yeah, Goya has got lots of nutritional value. It has got beta carotene and fiber and vitamin C.
Yes.
And kalium. And also bitter melon has got, as it says, bitter part. Actually, it's very good for your recovering from fatigue and also lower the blood sugar level.
All right.
So it's very, very good, excellent food.
So tell us, you're going to talk about the first recipe?
Yes, I'm going to make two dishes today. The first one is an easy Goya salad using sesame seed and sesame oil and soy sauce of that. And the second one is I use Goya plus soy plus tofu.
So stick around for the second one because it's a really healthy dish.
Yes.
But let's have this summer salad first.
Yes. First, I'm going to show you how to prepare Goya and cut in half. This is half.
So there's seeds in that, is there, in the centre?
So
I see.
To get rid of inside. Okay. It's okay now. So that's then cut in thin slice. About this. First, I put a little bit salt in the water.
Yes.
Turn it on, and when it's boiled, I just put in Goya in the water. Maybe cook 20 or 30 seconds, just short while.
I see.
You want to keep it not to get too soft. Mixed with shoga,
All right.
shoga, and a little bit sesame oil. And next is I grind sesame seed.
I see.
About 1 tablespoon sesame seed.
Okay.
It's already grounded sesame is available, but
You like to do it yourself. Well, it's fresh then, isn't it?
yeah. And add it a little bit sugar and a little bit soy sauce.
Now, that little bit of sugar, that's to try and take out some of the bitterness of the bitter melon.
Yeah, it
I
could
mean,
help
it's such
that.
a fantastic vegetable, but it is an acquired taste.
Yeah.
But, the Okinawans swear by it, and I think most of Japan really likes it. But
That's right.
you've got to get used to the bitterness. But if you know in your mind that it's good for you,
That's right.
it's okay then.
So I can. Nice green color.
Yes, it is.
Simpler one is just boil it and put the katsuobushi and soy sauce. You can do
that's
that
an
too.
easy
That's
one.
a simple one.
But this wasn't hard.
No.
It's quite simple. Okay.
Okay. So if you feel like more sesame oil, you can add more. So that's
Right, just going to put a bit of miso.
Yeah. Now I'm going to make Goya plus miso and tofu.
Oh, nice.
It's very good for your health.
Hmm.
So about 1 tablespoon of miso,
Yes.
adding, and tofu. And try to get rid of excess water.
Right.
I put kitchen paper. Cut in small size, like a bite size.
Mm-hmm.
Then cut in. Okay.
And you cook that first, do you?
Yeah, cook tofu first in oil in frying pan. So I put sesame oil
Right.
and about this much. Turn it on a medium heat.
And could you use an even firmer tofu than that?
I think so too.
I see.
Just try to get brown. Then you can add Goya. See. Can tell they're getting a little bit brown now, so I would add okay.
Now this was the other half
The
of
other
the Goya,
half of the Goya.
and we didn't want to put you through the cutting of it, but it's just the same.
Yeah. Just mix lightly, otherwise you crumble too much the tofu.
Okay.
So now I think I'll add miso.
And sake.
That's it too.
So everyone, I hope you enjoyed that. It certainly looks delicious, Yoshiko.
It looks, doesn't it?
Yes. Will we try a bit of this one
Yeah,
first? This
why
is
not?
summer salad, and this is very refreshing.
It's like a goma mix. Really.
Yeah. There we are. You can have that much.
Yes.
And
You can have a little bit more.
all right.
Yeah, don't be mean.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. And the thing with this, it's not only looks good and tastes good, and I assure you that it will taste good even though it's bitter. It's well worth it. And after you get used to it, you want it all the time.
That's right, yeah.
So let's try the summer salad.
Summer salad.
It's nice with the ginger.
You like ginger, don't you?
Oh, it's so clean. Very refreshing.
Nice. Still a bit bitter, but it's sharp.
It's nice. Nice, yeah.
Bitter without flavor, isn't it, this one?
And this is the really healthy miso combined with
Tofu,
and you know, it's gut health, bone health,
everything.
health. And
just have a little bit more tofu.
and by the way, thank you to our earlier subscribers and a whole host of new ones too. Thank you and welcome to the channel.
Thank you very much.
And we'll look forward to seeing a few. You're going to try this this bitter melon, eh?
Dare
Goya.
to,
Yeah,
please dare to
give
challenge.
it a go, honestly.
Tofu and miso, nice. Yummy.
So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll come back with another one next week.
See you soon. ごちそうさま。
ごちそうさま。